Impact Posing Stool RST001. Here are the assembly instructions, and those are the pieces. This is what it comes with when you open it up. You have the base, the seat, and the center column. The center column has a little cap, protective cap on it, but according to the instructions, it seems like you don't need to unscrew anything. All you need to do is flip this over, pop the center column in, pop the chair in, and you're good to go. Here's the chair fully assembled. It was very easy. This is something I'm definitely gonna travel with because they all come up just by removing it because it's all gravity based. This cap was covering up some kind of weighted trigger mechanism that will extend the center column. And I think if you're just traveling with this and you accidentally hit the lever or you hit this button, the column is gonna extend. I don't know how rapidly, but it could be something dangerous. So when I am traveling with this, and take it apart, I'm gonna hold on to this cap and put that cap back on so I could prevent that from happening. But otherwise, here it is. It's all held by gravity. So if you flip it on the opposite side, the seat's just gonna fall off. The height, the minimum height of the chair, I measured to be about 21, 22 inches tall. And then when you fully raise the center column, it goes to about 32 inches in height. I've been hired for a few jobs where I go to do some portrait photography, and it just helps sometimes to have your subjects just seated for lighting and for other reasons. But I really like this product. The price was right. I just got to be mindful when I travel with it to watch that from expanding accidentally. Impact posing table. Here's the instructions on how to assemble it. It comes in 3 pieces, and here it is right here on the floor. I just bought it, and I'm going to assemble it and do a quick first impressions of it. I just realized part of the assembly is taking this center column, taking out this main screw, and then putting it here so then it could flip upside down. The problem here, or not the problem, but just the annoying thing is that it already comes pre-screwed in. So I have to remove this in order to properly mount the center column to the table. Here's what it looks like mounting the center column to the metal part base of the table right here. And like I said, the only way to put this on is per the instructions. You need to remove this black piece, this metal piece, and then screw in a top screw, which is on right here on the bottom of the center column, and then screw the whole base back onto the table, the bottom of the table. And you got to do so with 4 screws right here. The kind of good thing is that it's not screwing into wood, it's screwing into a metal piece. So I guess they're expecting you to unscrew it and screw it back on multiple times. I wish it would have already come with some kind of a design with a locking mechanism, maybe just some kind of regular C-stand type of mount where you can take the center column on and off without having to unscrew the entire base plate of the table. Here's the table fully assembled, and it looks pretty nice. I really like the way this looks and feels for the most part for what I paid for it. The base has wheels that are lockable, but these locks right here, they're the very cheap kind of locks that you would see on cheap office chairs. But there's locks on every single wheel. Just keep in mind that these kinds of design, this quality tends to break. The mount is just placed inside here. You can lift the whole table up, but because it's just put in with gravity, it could slip off. The base is plastic and pretty lightweight, so I don't think it's gonna slip off, but it probably will if you're walking it around the office or carrying it with the center column. Now the table right here, when it's fully collapsed, is about 29 inches in height, 29 inches. When it's fully extended, it's about 4 feet, almost 4 feet in height. This is meant to put for your talent, for the people you're doing photography. They're supposed to lean their elbows on this, I guess. You can use this for maybe a portable office desk to put your laptop, which I might be using this for, but it is not to sit on or stand on as a posing table. This is not going to fly with that. It's very dangerous. It's going to collapse. It cannot support heavy weight. So this is really just meant for people to put their elbows on, or for you as a photographer to put your equipment on or have a portable laptop desk, which is what I'm going to use it for. This, I can already tell, is going to be great for my home office space and my home studio. I'm probably not going to travel with this on my photography gigs.